What's up, guys? I am here with Tommy Rodriguez, the owner and founder of ProsperBe. How are you doing, Tommy?
I'm doing great. How you doing, Vinny?
I'm doing great today. I was just gonna explain some stuff about your business.
Oh, sound good. Let me show you some stuff.
Okay. Well, Tommy has much experience providing top marketing service. Bringing companies to the top is his specialty. He will now share with you guys about ProsperBe Internet Marketing Agency and their work. One of the best groups that can give you service with broadcasting, video marketing, animation, and even general marketing for small businesses. I made this video to let you guys know about the service and how they can guarantee the results in a very short time.
Sound good, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah, sure. I will show you. Yes, I will show you, my friend. Okay, like you said before, we are one of the best internet marketing group. Our job is to manage small businesses online, and we specialize in that. Let me show you. The 24-hour or 24-hour garage door service in Fort Lauderdale. We are on the first page of Google. Our customers are very satisfied with our service. Our customer would like to add more ads, more keyword to his website, and it can be used with our service for his internet marketing needs. You know, you can see, guys, and check by yourself that we actually bought one post and one page to the first page of Google with the keyword 24HR garage door service in Fort Lauderdale. Check this out. In less than a month, we reached the first page on Google. Our customers are very happy with those results. Before, I show you another example that we did for a different business. I had a question for you. Who is dealing with your internet marketing for your business? Do you see a progress in the work that they do for you? Think about it for a second. And now, let me show you. When you go to search for water heater repair in North Miami, Florida, let's see what come up. Okay, guys, here we go. Water heater repair in North Miami Beach. What we see here, it's one post and one page that we rank on. So listen, guys, let me admit, it is not easy at all to get website ranking on the first page of Google. But if we are talking about hardcore internet marketing, it's a different story. Now let me show you some amazing results that I'm even surprised from.
Tommy, you have a surprise?
Hell yeah, boy! What do you think about traveling agency website? Are they spending thousands of dollars a month to rank their business on the top pages? Vinny, do you understand what I'm talking about?
Yes, I do. I'm starting to get a clear picture now.
There is over 200 million traveling agencies that promote their business online, and it's almost impossible for them to reach the top pages on Google. Guys, take a look. I am not joking. I am not going to waste your time. Here we go. Our page reached to the third page on Google, and not everyone can do that. Listen, Vinny, what you see right now, nobody can do this.
This is impressive. You really got up there on Google? Man, this is hard to believe. How did you do this?
With lots of internet marketing experience, there are a lot of people like me. But you know, Vinny, my service is special because we have a relationship with the customer. Every week we contact the customer to see the progress and result his business get from our work.
This sounds great. How do we get your business? Give me a contact.
Vinny, you are not gonna believe this. I have a bunch of calls from businesses that want my company, ProsperBe, to promote their business. And I cannot deal with all those clients. So I have a very limited amount of clients at a time. And spot running out very quickly.
So we will see you here again?
Sure, of course. You guys will. Every week. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more from that series.